Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog with Tasty_Chewy. So today I want to show you guys the website and everything, all the products I've been adding. So let's go hop onto it. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is the website right here. These are some products that I added. I also have a couple of mugs up. What? Look at that, that's for women right there. Got the wall art. I got a whole bunch of other stuff on there that I'm adding up. It's not a normal day out here unless you see that. Then it becomes a normal day. Whoop, whoop. It's a normal day out here. But let's get back to the website. So I added a whole bunch of other stuff, and you guys can order this from me on Freshupgrade.shop. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, so check it out. So I ordered something from my website to show you guys that it's gonna come out good and everything, and I wanted to do this YouTube video. So look right here, it's Freshupgrade, the factory, and then also Jesus Morales, and then that's the address of our store. So if you guys want to come on by, that's our store address right there. But yeah, so this is a package that I ordered. So right now we're gonna do a review on it and check out how good quality is my website, my shirts, and everything. And I'm gonna describe what my shirt means. Oh shit, this shit is clean, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. So this is live fast, die young. So what this shirt indicates is you're living a fast lifestyle, but you're dying young in spirit, not actually dying young. It means dying young in spirit and having fun no matter how old you grow. Just dying young in spirit, that's it. You never grow old. You're always happy, you're always moving, you're always doing something. Never get old. So this is live fast, die young. And this shirt is actually pretty amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn, that is clean. That is really clean. I don't know, I fell in love with this shirt. This is sick as fuck. Alright guys, so I just put on this shirt and it is amazing. It is soft quality. It is, look at it, sharp lines and everything. I like this shirt a lot, honestly. I just fell in love with it as soon as I opened it. And if you guys want one as well, you guys could check out the website at Freshupgrade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's at Freshupgrade right there, Freshupgrade.shop. And there's a lot to come this year, so just be staying tuned with our Instagram at Freshupgrade as well. And if you guys could please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned. There's a lot to come you guys don't even know. And yeah, see you guys later.